Hello everyone. Today again we are going to discuss another limit problem in calculus. What is that? Limit x tends to 0, log of sin x plus cos x whole divided by x will be how much? For doing this, as I have told you in the previous two videos of limit, that we have to use some basic fundamental formula. Two formulas we are going to use here. One is for log, another is for sine. That is one for logarithmic function and another is for trigonometric function. What is that? Log of 1 by x whole divided by x equal to 1 when limit x tends to 0. This is one formula of limit. And secondly, that we have already used in some other two problems, limit x tends to 0, sin x whole divided by x equal to 1. I have written this formula in the beginning of this problem so that when I shall be changing the different expressions and functions across the problem and I will be using these two, you will be able to understand that why these two formula has been written in the beginning so that the formula can be used to resolve this problem. So let us start. For doing this, we need to do some trigonometric manipulation first. What is sin x plus cos x? Sin x plus cos x, I am showing you in a different way. Sin x plus cos x whole square is, if you expand it, then it becomes sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. A plus b whole square formula I have applied here. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So, and 2 sin x cos x can be written as 1 plus sin 2x. So, if I square root on both the sides, then square root of sin x plus cos x whole square is same as square root of 1 plus sin 2x. If I remove the square root now, then obviously sin x plus cos x will be square root of 1 plus sin 2x. So this is one trick that I shall be using here. Why? Because I have to manipulate with log. So until and unless you are evaluating sin x plus cos x as square root of 1 plus sin 2x, you will not be able to resolve this limit problem. So the next step of the main problem, what it will look like? It will look like limit x tends to 0. As I have mentioned, I have evaluated sin x plus cos x as square root of 1 plus sin 2x whole divided by x. Now 1 plus sin 2x square root of it, that means log of 1 plus sin 2x whole to the power half whole divided by x. Now what we know from the log? Log of a to the power b equal to b log a. That means it becomes limit x tends to 0, half comes out of the log expression, log of 1 plus sin 2x by x. This is my expression now. Half can go out of the limit because this is a constant. So it will be half of limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus sin 2x whole divided by x into sin 2x divided by sin 2x. What I have done? I have kept x in the denominator same, but at the same time I have multiplied 1 sin 2x and divided by 1 sin 2x to keep the expression same. Why I have done so? That you will be able to understand in the next step. So now this expression is my final expression after evaluating the log and trigonometric manipulation. Now if we say here, if I go to the next step over here, then I am doing a manipulation as sin 2x equal to y. Okay, so I am doing a manipulation as sin 2x equal to y. Now you can understand, if x tends to 0, then means 2x also tends to 0 and sin 0 is 0. That means y also tends to 0 because y is nothing but sin 2x. So this formula, what I can write it as equal to half of limit, I am just transforming x to y, so it is y tends to 0. Why? Because log of 1 plus y assigned to x, I have assumed it as y, whole divided by x, I am keeping it as x as of now, and it is sin 2x by sin 2x, that is sin 2x is y by sin 2x, right? Now you can understand what is the purpose of writing this. If I remove this portion now, then my expression becomes half limit y tends to 0 log of 1 plus y whole divided by y. Another thing is that limit y tends to 0, I am just converting it to x again because I have assumed sin 2x as y, so I can write it as sin x tends to 0. That is the main limit value that we were working with in the initial phase of the problem, into sin 2x goes up and then x, then it is sin 2x whole divided by x, right? So it can be written as, you can understand this problem as I have mentioned in the beginning of the problem, basic thumbnail of limit formula, this is evaluated as 1. So this is half into 1 into limit x tends to 0 sin 2x by 2x. What I have to do? I have to compensate another 2 in the denominator, right? So in that case 2 goes up in the numerator in the next phase. So it becomes half into 1 into 2 into limit x tends to 0. That means 2x also tends to 0 because x into 2 is same as 0, because x is also going to be 0. Then sin 2x whole divided by sin 2x. So obviously 2 gets nullified and it gets to 1, and this expression is again evaluated as 1, as this is a basic thumb rule of limit. So my answer will be 1. So this is how we evaluate a log formula and a trigonometric formula in this way, by properly manipulating the functions of log and trigonometry to get the desired result. If you like this video, I will request everyone to view, watch and subscribe my channel. Thank you.